Australian-made 30mm weapon systems are being sent to Ukraine as part of a U.S. security assistance package announced earlier this year. 3. Slinger, lightweight 30mm cannon system, made by Canberra-based Electro-Optic Systems Defense Systems, have been ordered for use on 30mm gun trucks, announced by the U.S. Department of Defense earlier this year on the 4th of April. Each Slinger contains a radar, 30mm stabilized cannon with proximity fuse, high explosive or armor-piercing ammunition designed for tracking and drone engagement at a range of more than 800 meters. The Ukraine version will be used in coordination with Northrop Grumman's MACE acquisition, queuing and effector system. EOS Defense Systems Executive Vice President Matthew Jones, responsible for defense systems in Australia, the US and Singapore, said the weapon system could be mounted on a heavy 4x4 for operation or for unmanned ground vehicle configuration. The Slingers have been contracted by Northrop Grumman. We received a purchase order for 3 systems, and there'll be more to follow after the first 3. The Slinger-configured systems use AM230LF lightweight 30mm cannon, with single-shot engagement beyond 800 meters, he said. We've been in trials with Northrop Grumman on this particular capability for actually a couple of years, and this will be their first export sale of the Slinger capability. The configuration that we're delivering under this contract is a manned vehicle, a 4x4 U.S. truck-mounted configuration with the operator operating the system from within the cab, and the system mounted on the back in the tray. The Australian-designed and developed counter-drone system was officially launched by Assistant Minister for Defence Matt Thistlethwaite at the EOS Defence Systems manufacturing facility in Canberra in May this year. This is the second counter-drone system in operation on the ground in Ukraine after EOS provided AS-65 RWS gimbals for the L3 Harris Vampire portable rocket kit. It's understood EOS has also partnered with a Ukrainian firm to assist maintenance and repairs of its R-400 remote weapon stations used on donated Bushmaster-protected mobility vehicles. A senior U.S. defense official said 9 30mm gun truck vehicles had been earmarked for counter-unmanned aerial systems. The package includes important capabilities for air defense and to counter Russian unmanned aerial systems. It also includes new counter-UAS capabilities such as the 30mm gun trucks to detect and intercept drones such as the Iranian-built Shaheds, the official said on the 4th of April. The gun trucks are a new item from the United States, and our expectation is that these will be able to detect and intercept drones, including the Iranian-built Shaheds. It's going to take several months to be able to actually provide that to Ukraine. Other parts of the security assistance package included ammunition for HIMARS, air defense interceptors and artillery rounds, anti-armor systems, 3,600 small arms, heavy equipment transport vehicles, and maintenance support valued at up to $500 million. This latest confirmation continues a run of shareholder confidence for the Australian-owned defense and space company, which has been trending upwards since the start of the year. The share price moves around. As the share price moves around, I would say that overall, the company continues to demonstrate improved governance and business management, Mr. Jones said. We will continue to sign delivery contracts, and that Slinger is the first product release in the calendar over the next few months. We're developing 2 new products in this space. They are complementary, and will extend EOS's capability and range of engagements against the drone threat as either a standalone counter-drone capability or an integrated solution for more traditional. From a company point of view, we're very proud of the technology. This is Australian technology. These systems were designed and manufactured here in Australia, particularly in Queanbeyan and in Canberra. They'll be delivered from Canberra to the US, and then on to Ukraine. On the back of this system being deployed to Ukraine, we expect that we will receive increasing orders for this type of technology. The Ukraine version will be used in coordination with Northrop Grumman's MACE acquisition, queuing and effector system. EOS Defense Systems Executive Vice President Matthew Jones, responsible for defense systems in Australia, the US and Singapore, said the weapon system could be mounted on a heavy 4x4 for operation or for unmanned ground vehicle configuration.